Alright, this is the new face scan that we brought in as our bite scan. And then I added an additional scan of the existing dentition. Let's toggle that off so you can see that. And now I set some teeth in place, pick the mold, and then we'll get rid of this. And then poof, there's our bite scan. And you can see they're a little short, so I'm just going to kind of bring them down a little bit just to kind of make it a little nicer. But all the movement, everything is all there. If you need to tip or do anything, it's all. Yeah, this is so cool. And move it whichever direction you want and see how it all looks. A little bit more tweaking and we're good to go. I think this is fantastic.